In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload files to Kahana from a mobile device. So this works the same way as a desktop, except you're on mobile and you have less screen space, but the layout of the hub is very similar. And once you navigate to the Uploads area, all you have to do is click the Uploads button, which is the cloud and up arrow button, and then you can select Upload File from Computer. From here, you will have options to upload from your photo library, take a photo or a video, and choose between files. So I'm just gonna go choose files, and I already have a couple of apps downloaded on my phone that allow me to upload from various resources like Box, Google Drive, or iCloud Drive. So I'll just show you what it looks like to upload from Google Drive. I enter Google Drive, and I can choose any of these files, so I'll just choose this PDF. And from there, the PDF will upload, and that's all there is to it. It's very simple to upload files from your phone to Kahana, and if you have any questions, feel free to let us know and email us at info@kahana.co.